Let's have a go at factorising this equation. Now, this one is a little bit of a curly one because it relies on you understanding the nature of what brackets actually are. Now, when we're taught brackets, we're always taught, we treat the contents of brackets as something that we must do first. We always do brackets first according to bed maths. But that's not actually what brackets are. Brackets are one thing. So this is one thing. This is one thing, this is one thing, and all of that is one thing. So let's treat it a little bit differently. Let's imagine I said we've got A times Y plus B times Y. And I said, let's factorize this equation. So when we factorize something, we look for things that are common. So if I was to factorize this, I would say, well, y is common to this and y is common to this. So we put the thing that's common outside the brackets. And then we ask ourselves a question. We say, what times y makes ay? Well, a times y makes ay. And what times y makes by? Well, b times y makes by. And of course, we have a plus in between to make it true. Now, let's imagine that we had something slightly different. Let's say we've got cx plus bx. Now, if I'm to factorize that, well, we look for things that are common. We say, what is common to this and this? Well, x is common, so I put the x outside the brackets. And I ask the question, what times x makes cx? Well, c times x makes cx. And what times x makes bx? Well, b times x makes bx. And there's my factorization. So when I come to the equation we had before, which is 3x, x minus 4 plus 2, x minus 4, we ask what is common to this and this? Well, what is common to this and this is x minus 4. So I put the thing that's common outside the brackets. Then I ask what times x minus 4 makes 3x x minus 4? Well, 3x does. And what times x minus 4 makes 2x minus 4? Well, 2 would be, and a plus would go in the middle. So there is my factorization. And of course, it's a bit simple, really, when you look at it. We simply look for the thing that's common, which is this and this, put it outside the brackets, and then add the other two things together and put them inside the second bracket. And that's how we factorize this type of equation.